Welcome to the RMail Feature Explained video short series on RMail's transmission encryption feature. To start, the RMail messages return to the sender a registered receipt email as their self-contained, durable, and verifiable proof record for proof of delivery, content, and compliance. This feature focuses on the RMail transmission encryption feature. This feature transmits the message encrypted using a configurable level of TLS as the primary delivery method and auto-decrypts the email and attachments on the recipient's end with no decryption password required. If the recipient's mail system does not have TLS or is below the preset minimum TLS threshold, the email will automatically revert to the RMail message level encryption feature for end-to-end password-protected delivery. To send, simply compose an email, press the Send Registered button, and check the Encrypt box. The default feature is transmission encryption. There is a password box where you may add a decryption password or leave blank for a randomly generated password if the recipient's mail system does not support transmission encryption. The recipient will receive an encrypted email right in their inbox without requiring a link to click or passwords to enter, and the email contains the registered email markings of registered in the subject and a banner with the text registered email encrypted transmission, so the email stands out in the recipient's mailbox. Under the banner is text letting the recipient know the email was sent encrypted with a link to reply securely to the recipient using a secure, pre-addressed compose page back to the sender. The secure reply feature may be used up to 5 times per envelope, and attachments may be added with a cumulative attachment size of 100 megabytes. Please note, there are many settings available to configure the transmission encryption feature to your needs. Make sure you view the video on the registered receipt email for proof of compliance. Thank you for listening.